Ate Reg Tolentino. Ayan, no?
Ayan. Isang ikot naman siya, Franco Montibon. Prove myself ng justice.
Alright, there you go. The very, very
Pwede siya
talented.
maging dress, pwede siya maging shawl, pwede siya maging turban, pwede siya maging skirt, and ano, the possibilities are endless within
Pili nga naman, Ate Reg.
Yes, kaya please follow me there. Tapos RT Studios naman, marami kami mga Zumba events all over the country. Kaya for more information, ayan, follow us at RT Studios PH. Or sa Facebook, RT Studios na. Ang Zumba ka na nga kasi, Kel.
Mag-zoom na ako. Yun yung next profession ko.
Alam mo, dito sa Cebu, napakarami
Zumba
talaga yung mga Zumba dyan. There's a lot of Zumba games here. Kaya I'm sure yung next balik ko, Zumba event naman ito.
Hey, good job. So there you go. You heard it. That's where you can find Ate Reg.